Hello everyone, welcome back. So today what we're going to do is we're going to automate tasks, say opening applications and opening web pages with script editor. So first we can say display dialog, activate, and then we can ask the computer, we can ask the user buttons, yes or no, yes, no, then the default button would be yes. Then we can say if button returned of the result is yes, then uh, then tell application system events, which is our computer, system events, and say tell application Safari to activate, which is to turn on. And we can have tell application Safari to open location, which is like to open a web page. Say we can open Google, and we can ask Safari to open another web page. Safari to open location, say open my YouTube channel, and so on. So we can add how many websites we want, right? And then we can also say, I think I'm gonna need to use a calculator today. So we can say tell application calculator. Make sure whenever you type your application that it's capitalized and formatted the same way as the application is named to activate. Then we can say, okay, that's all we need on a daily basis for our startup. So we can say, and tell, and if, then we can say at the very end, say display dialog, subscribe to Wind 576 on YouTube. Okay, and if we choose start it, we can say activate. If we click yes, then it will open Safari, it will go to Google, and it will go to my YouTube channel. Then it also tells the calculator to turn on. Okay, but let's not click that for now. I'm going to show you how. Okay, it's going to say subscribe to Win 576, and now I will show you how we can export this as a application. So we can go to File, Export, then we can name it whatever we want to. We can put it wherever we want to, and then we can do file format as an application, and then assign to run locally, and then we can save it.
Alright, now we can test the application. So you can use Command Spacebar, Spotlight Search, and then just type in the name of the application, and then it'll ask you whether you'll activate. You can click yes, and see it's opened up Google and my YouTube channel. It's open calculator, and it said our message at the very end. So now I'll show you how you can have it start up whenever you start your computer. So we can go to System Preferences and search Start. So we can have open applications at login, and then you add automated startup or whatever your application is. So it starts up whenever your computer opens or starts up. So we have some important announcements coming soon, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Only 0.2% of viewers are subscribed, so it would really help. Thank you.